English Shadow Podcast.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to the English Shadow Podcast.
Hi, everyone. Today we're at a hotel. We'll check in, ask for what we need, fix small problems, and check out politely. Ready? Let's start.
We've just arrived at the River Park Hotel. The lobby looks bright and modern.
I see the reception desk. Let's go. The receptionist smiles and says, "Good afternoon. Welcome to River Park Hotel. Do you have a reservation?"
Yes, a double room for 2 nights under Emma.
May I see your passport or ID, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. And a card for the deposit.
Yes, this one. Can I pay with this card at checkout too?
Yes, you can. Would you like a room with 1 large bed or 2 single beds?
1 large bed, please. If possible, a quiet room on a higher floor.
Let me check. Yes, we have a quiet room on the 8th floor.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10:30 on the 2nd floor.
Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, the network is riverpark_guest. The password is on the keycard holder.
Do you have a gym or pool?
The gym is open 24 hours. The pool is 7 to 21.
Perfect. How do we get to our room?
Take the elevators behind you. Go to floor 8, room 823 on the right.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your stay. Let's go up. I'm excited to see the room.
Same. I hope the view is nice. Here we are, room 823. The room looks clean and bright.
The bed is big. Let's check the basics. Lights, air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and the bathroom.
The lights work. The AC is on 20 degrees. A bit cold for me. I'll change it to 23.
I'll try the Wi-Fi. Connected.
There are 2 pillows. I like an extra one.
Let's call reception and ask politely. The receptionist answers, "Reception, how can I help you?"
Hello. This is room 823. Could we have 1 extra pillow, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Do you have an electric kettle and some tea?
Yes, we can bring a kettle, cups, and tea bags.
Thank you so much.
I'll check the bathroom. The shower looks good, but the water is not very hot.
Maybe it needs a minute.
I waited. It's still warm, not hot.
Let's call again and be friendly.
Reception.
Hi again from room 823. The shower water is a little cold. Could someone check it?
I'm sorry for the trouble. I'll send maintenance right away. That was quick. Someone is at the door.
Hello. Thank you for coming. The shower is a bit cold.
The maintenance worker says, "I'll adjust the boiler setting. Please try now."
Much better. Thank you.
If you need anything else, dial 0. The kettle and extra pillow arrived too.
Great service. Let's make some tea and rest for 10 minutes.
After that, we can ask about a nice place for dinner.
Let's go downstairs to the concierge desk.
The concierge greets us. "Good evening. How may I help you?"
We're looking for a good, quiet restaurant nearby. Not too expensive.
Olive Garden Street Kitchen is a 7-minute walk. Fresh food, mid-range prices.
Sounds perfect. Do we need a reservation?
On weekends, yes. I can book a table for 7:30.
That would be great. 2 people at 7:30, please.
How will you get there?
We'll walk. But tomorrow morning, we need a taxi to the train station.
What time?
At 8:15, please.
Noted. I'll book it and call your room at 8:05 to confirm.
Could we also set a wake-up call for 7 o'clock?
Certainly. Wake-up call at 7 o'clock for room 823.
Do you offer laundry service?
Yes. If you give clothes to us before 10 o'clock, they're ready the same day by 18 o'clock. The price list is in your closet.
Thank you. One last question. Is it safe to walk in this area at night?
Yes, it's safe, but stay on the main streets.
Great. Thanks for all the help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your evening.
Dinner was nice. Now I feel like a light snack and water back in the room.
Let's try room service. Room service answers, room service, how can I help you?
Hello, this is room 823. Could we order 1 tomato soup, 1 veggie pasta, and 2 bottles of still water?
Any allergies or special requests?
No nuts, please. And could the pasta be mild, not spicy?
Of course. Would you like anything else?
That's all. How long will it take?
About 25 minutes.
Thank you.
The food is here. Let's check. The pasta looks good, but the soup is not very hot.
We can ask politely for help.
Room service.
Hi, it's room 823. The soup arrived a little cold. Could you warm it up, please?
I'm sorry about that. I'll bring a hot bowl right away.
That was fast. Now it's perfect.
Everything tastes fresh. Do we need to sign anything?
Usually we sign the bill and pay at checkout
Okay. Let's leave the tray by the door when we finish.
and call for pickup.
Room service.
Hello, room 823. Could you pick up the tray, please?
Certainly. Someone will come in 5 minutes.
Thank you very much. Good morning. The wake-up call worked at 7.
The taxi is booked for 8:15, but first, breakfast.
The buffet looks nice. Eggs, fruit, yogurt, cereal, toast.
Coffee or tea?
Tea for me today. And some fruit.
I'll have coffee and eggs. Let's sit by the window.
After breakfast, can we get a late checkout?
Let's ask politely at reception. The receptionist says, "Good morning. How can I help you?"
Hello, this is room 823. Is late checkout possible today?
Standard checkout is 12 o'clock. We can extend to 13 o'clock for free or to 15 o'clock for a small fee.
13 o'clock is perfect. Thank you.
I'll update your booking. Time to pack. Do you need the laundry service?
Not today, but I'll leave my clothes list for next time.
Ready to check out?
Yes, let's go downstairs.
Checking out?
Yes, room 823. Could you print the bill, please?
Here it is. Please check the minibar charges.
I didn't take anything from the minibar. I think this charge is a mistake.
I'm sorry. I'll remove it. Now the total is correct.
Thank you. Could I get the receipt by email?
Of course. What is your email address?
It's emma@example.com.
Sent. Would you like to leave your bags for a few hours?
Yes, please. We'll come back at 14:30 to pick them up.
No problem. Here are your luggage tags. The taxi should arrive soon.
Before we go, let's say thank you. Thank you for the kind service and the quick help with our shower yesterday.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again. We had a great stay. Have a nice day.
Bye!
Friends, we hope this hotel conversation helps you check in, ask for help, and check out with confidence.
Try these phrases on your next trip. Do you have a quiet room? Could we get an extra pillow? Wake up call at 7, please. Is late checkout possible? And could I get the receipt by email?
Thanks for listening to the English Shadow Podcast.
See you next time.